Bro, earlier I used to think that AI can only do the job of script writer and graphic designer, but video editing cannot be done by AI. But I was fully wrong. Then I found this AI tool which amazed me, because the editing which we can do in Premiere Pro and After Effects, but it takes hours. This AI does it in less than 1 minute. You might have seen this kinds of motion graphics in Isaac's videos where a sequential flowchart video is shown, and you can see how professional it is. Not only this, there are also other YouTubers who are using these kinds of templates and gaining millions of views. Different kinds of motion templates are here which you can make in your phone or laptop. Now, Digital Dollar also started editing videos with this AI. You see this video which they used. And look at this template which this channel has created from this secret website, and this Inspire Explorer is a channel. So earlier when I saw its video, I used to think, wow, what a great editing he does. But then later I came to know that this new big guy also does video editing with the same AI. So in today's video, I will tell you how you too can do motion graphic video editing of this level, and forget to do it with the phone, which has a 3D camera installed in the screen recording. Even if you do it in After Effects, it also takes hours, but with this AI, you can do it in one click, and nowadays this character face animation is quite popular. I will tell you how to make it, so watch the complete video. Watch and subscribe this channel, Digital AI Dollars, because I have to complete 1,000 subscribers in this remaining month. So first subscribe. I have done that, so let's start the video. So to make a video, we need script, voice avatar, and then video editing. If you want to do scripting, then get the script written from ChatGPT, and now our next step is to generate AI voice and avatar. So I have already discussed a lot about this top topic. I've made a video which you can watch. I will give its link in the description. And now our most important step has come, especially motion graphic of video editing, whose freelancer can charge $10 to $100 per minute. So for motion graphic video editing, you have to search AutoAe in the browser, and then you have to click on the all hook, and then you will get many amazing templates. So let's see one by one. So now I'm going to share this with you. I select the templates, then click on customize here and write the video in text 1. And if possible, write the words in capital, because this will make the video look better. Then write the words according to your need, and then preview here. You can see its preview by clicking on Fabi. So now I first click on download and download the video, and now you can see the final result. And you must have seen this face animation. So to make it here, but many, there are all the templates. So you have to click on any one. Now next here I write this video is not a spinner, and here I put this logo. And if you want, you can also put your face. And after that, you have to download it. And then this animation will be made, which looks quite engaging. And now let's talk about how to use 3D camera in screen recording, that too in one click. To do that, first of all, you have to record the screen recording. Recording someone, you have to bring it in the editing app and export it in the format of GIF. Then after that, select any template from here and upload this GIF. And then after some time, your screen recording will be given in the 3D camera, and then download it. If you want to do it, then it is an amazing tool, and I have not received any money for sharing this tool. I am telling it from my heart because it is a very amazing tool. And you can make 4 videos for free. And if you want to purchase it, so click on pricing here. You will get to know many plans, but I suggest you to go through yearly plan, where you will get 1,200 downloads without watermark and very high quality. So click on subscribe, and it will take you to this page where you can see its price is also $100. But wait, you're still watching this video, so I have a gift for you. Click on apply, coupon A type year 50. And boom, now you can get it for $49. So subscribe our channel, Digital AI Dollars, and like the video. If you want to make money from Temu affiliate program, so click here, or want to download and upload ready-made YouTube shorts. So click here and watch the complete video. See you in the next video. Bye, bye, bye.